The shaped pouch filling and sealing machine integrates automatic measuring, filling, forming, sealing, punching, and cutting for liquid sachets. It offers high filling accuracy, fast output, and easy operation. Sealing and cutting molds are fully customizable to match specific pouch designs. Widely used in food, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical industries, the machine supports optional coating, mixing, and heating functions to meet diverse production needs. An external air compressor is required and must be purchased separately. Please contact customer service for customization details.